national security law and constitutional law. Did you already cover that a
So,
little bit?
yeah, not yet. So, yeah, national security law. When I was deployed, we were dealing with classified information, so things that directly impacted the national security of the United States. That's why the Combined Joint Task Force Horn of Africa is where it is. We're a policy arm of the U.S. government, and we work in close concert with the State Department. So the embassies that are out there and the diplomats that exist and work in Africa. And the military is an arm of foreign policy, and it has to be used in accordance with statute and in accordance with U.S. government policy. So that was a huge part of what I was doing there, in addition to military justice, and in addition to just the general roles of being a service member that's deployed in Africa or just anywhere. National security was a vital part of that practice area. And constitutional law. Well, hey, Fifth Amendment right to counsel, we embody that in the Defense Services Organization. We embody that every day. The right to remain silent, as set out in Article 31 Bravo, the Uniform Code of Military Justice. If that's violated, we are going to seek redress for that and suppress whatever evidence the government's attempting to use at court-martial. So the defense counsel are in one of the most pure, direct embodiments of somebody who's forcing government actors to uphold the Constitution and to respect the constitutional rights of people who are accused of crimes or suspected of crimes. So constitutional law is something that we do every single day here. And even as an SJA, I have a pocket constitution in my desk, and provisions of the Constitution come up on occasion, the Forts and Arsenals Clause, or the powers of Congress, because occasionally you have to derive authority and go all the way back to the Constitution. So in a way that I didn't get a ton of experience in as a civilian. I did have one case that involved the 13th Amendment. But other than that, I mean, you really don't discuss the Constitution, and you're not talking about constitutional rights, whereas as a defense counsel, in this very courtroom, I was advocating to a judge about my client's constitutional rights and about whether the Fifth Amendment or the Sixth Amendment or the Fourth Amendment required that I either get this piece of evidence in front of the members or that it be excluded and suppressed, and that it would be constitutionally unfair to use that evidence against my client.